We are constantly searching in Europe for new products and try to introduce it and see if Touring can integrate them in their build. So it's a permanent flow. We try to find things, but we also try to understand the requirements and hopefully have a solution for it. My name is Andreas. I'm the owner of RRE Global, and we are since over 6 years now here in the US with high quality European van and overland products. Everything started with our main company box manufacturer, where we were building composite panel boxes with full interiors, and over the years lots of materials we used were very interesting also for the US market, and that's where we started. So from windows to lighting, from water filtration system to seating solution, from pop top to tire inflation system, that's basically the product range we have. Touring is a very important customer for us, and it started with LED lighting. There's always the approach from Touring to have the highest quality materials for their builds, and so it was a perfect match, and over a long time we are now working together from the ceiling light to garage lights, from little accent lights to exterior lights. So it's a full range, and over the time also seating got more and more important. There is a requirement from the customer point of view to have safe seats, and a long time ago we started with Smart Floor providing a safe solution for single seats, for benches, and that was the second product we introduced together with Touring. I know Paul and Eric since Netherlands, so with the first little shop and in the mountains, and it really started from the very beginning, and it developed over the years, and Touring is now growing so fast with the latest new building and the service stations and everything. So it's really a long-lasting relationship, and I really enjoy hanging out with Eric and Paul, and I would say it's a little more than only a business relationship. We would be really happy if our customers say, hey, if I need something high quality for our van or overland build and RRE is part of their thoughts, that would be my perfect situation. That we are in the memories, in their minds, in the procurement departments, and if they have a requirement that they actively contact us, or that we have a chance to actively show it to them during shows or also visits in the shops. So that's a big goal. So it would be great if RRE would be recognized as a high quality source for all the van parts.